Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix something went wrong error on the PayPal app. If you keep getting messages, it usually means the app cannot connect properly. So first of all, check your internet connection, switch from Wi-Fi to data and see if the app loads. Next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your settings app and then search for storage and then scroll down for the app you're looking for and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, what you're gonna do is log back and then log back in and try again. Safety tip: only log in through the official PayPal app or website. Do not click on links from random emails or text. They could be phishing scams. Quick fix: if it still fails, update the PayPal app on the App Store or Play Store. Go ahead and open your App Store, search for PayPal and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now, if none of those methods helped you, just go ahead and delete and reinstall your PayPal app. I hope this video helped you guys on fixing your login error on PayPal app. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple quick fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.